everyone! So for today's video, I thought I would do a room tour. I have been getting questions about my room, so I thought I would just make a video about it. Little disclaimer, I'm not sure where everything in this room is from just because the house we recently moved into was mostly furnished. So I'll try to find places that sell similar things, but regardless, I hope you enjoy it. So I'm going to start this way and then make my way around. Right here, this actually used to be a diaper changing table, but we turned it into like this desk kind of situation here. So over here in this corner, I have this painting inspired by Monet's water lilies. I'm not a very good painter or artist in general, so I try my best. Here I have my plant Amber Rose. Yes, I name all of my plants because they're like pets and I love them. So that's her. And I have this little keychain of the Eiffel Tower. I have this mirror, hello. Over here I have this Japanese soda bottle. I have my other little cactus named Pickle. And I have this little like rock here because she's actually like a little crooked, you see? So she needs to stand up. And up here I have a hanging plant. That's chia seed. So we have her there. And next to my window, I have these postcards. I've actually haven't been to these places, but I have them here nonetheless because I would love to visit all of these beautiful places. So they're just over here. And in the drawers, I have kind of random things. So the top drawer, I have like my beauty things. So my makeup, I've got some pens, I have hair dye. The middle one's empty. And then this last one, I just have some of my shoes. And over here on display, I have a photo album that I got from Target. I have a binder that I got in Chinatown in Toronto. And here I have my journals that have already been filled out. And I have some books that I don't really plan on reading, but they're there for decoration. And then down here I have like my workout clothes, my beanies, bathing suits. I have a guitar. I don't know how to play, but I will try to learn. And I have a trash can, so that's beautiful. And over here by my window, this is what I call my spiritual corner. So I have these beads. I have this crystal necklace. Most of my crystals are from this shop in Orlando called Black Market Crystals. So I'll try to link some crystal shops down below. I have these stones that I got, ignore my nose, they're gross, from Georgia. I have my plant Penelope. I have more crystals here. I have my plant Phoebe. More. This plant I got recently, and she has a really long name. Her name is Bris La Rosalia the First. Yes, she's spicy. More crystals here. I have a white candle, and this actually I made. It used to be an Arizona tea bottle, but I painted the chakras on it. That's my curtain. And then down here I have this couch from IKEA, and I have my computer there. I have this white throw blanket. I have this mirror, and this mirror I actually found in a shed, and I think it really opens up the room. It looks really nice. Over there, that's a chair that I use for my YouTube setup. And here I have my closet. In my closet, I have my small nerd corner. It used to be a lot bigger, but a lot of it is stuck in Florida. So now my closet, I have these like string lights hanging up there. Those you can get at like the dollar store. But in here, I have my vision board that I made. I have some film photos. I tried to color coordinate my clothes, but it's not really working out because I have a lot of prints. And then there I just have underwear and stuff, pajamas, boots. Hanging here, I just have my shoulder bag, robes and such. Nothing too exciting in there. Okay, so once you turn from my closet, I have my bed. This bed is from IKEA, and so is the white bedding. And this bed has, here's my llama blanket. It has drawers, so here I have my hoodies. Down there I have like extra blankets and sheets. Over here I have shorts and pants. And then down here I have t-shirts. And there's these two little cubbies. The only thing I keep in there is my headphones, my pop figure cases, and a charger for my headphones. And then right next to my closet, I just have a humidifier and my chargers. And right above my closet, I have this shelf right here. My goal is to get this all filled with books, so the room will definitely change. As of right now, nothing's really going to change about my room. So all the way over there, I have this digital Sony camera. It's super old. I got it from Value Village, which is a thrift store in Canada. I have this Canon film camera that was gifted to me by my friend. I have this herbology painting that I made. It's Harry Potter themed, of course. Oh my gosh, I love this camera. I got this at an antique store in Georgia. It's like an old Kodak camera. Here I got this camera also from the antique store in Georgia. It's an old Super 8 film camera. Up here I have a Wendy Pop figure from The Shining. The Shining is actually supposed to be right here, but my dad's reading it right now, so it's not there. Not all of them are turned, so you can see like this part of it, because I'm trying to keep my room like as neutral toned as possible. Over here I have this little wall filled with photos and whatnot. So up here I have a painting that I made. I have this newspaper clipping, that photo I took, my painting or such drawing, Polaroid of my little brother, my sisters. This is a postcard from Paris. I've never been, but I just have postcards. Here's like a page from a book. Don't worry, it's like the very last page. And then I have a little quote from J.K. Rowling, but now she's canceled, so that's great. More drawings. And this mirror I also found in the same shed as the other one. So I have that hanging here. I have pictures of Disney, a little drawing I made, and then I have these little postcards more from Paris. So. And then here I just have more string lights. Okay, and then hanging next to my wall, I have this really big tapestry from Society 6. As before, I had these like weird paintings, like that one. It was going all across this wall, so I got this to cover it up. I'm still trying to cover up that one right there, and these little ones over here. But I have to figure out how I'm gonna do that, so let me know if you have ideas. And finally over here, I have this little shelf moment. So up here I have my plant Luna. In this shelf I have a bunch of cute little things. So I have this little film strip from Shanghai, China. I've never been, but I made a friend who was from there, who's an exchange student, and she got me that when she came back from winter break, so that was sweet. And here I have this super old like camera case. I painted today, ignore my thumb. This is from the antique store in Georgia, but inside here I have a film camera from Urban Outfitters, which I'll show you in a little bit. I have this Vogue magazine. I have this painting I did of the Eiffel Tower, but it's really bad. She's the Leaning Tower of Eiffel, honestly, girl. And I have a mason jar with pens and scissors. I have my journal and my glasses case. Down here, this is where I keep the books that I'm currently reading or plan to read next. Here I have this little canister that my dad got when he went to Amsterdam for a work trip. I have some more stones, and I have this postcard of Salamanca. I actually have been there. I lived there for 2 years when I was little. Fun fact. And in these drawers I have like random, but this bottom one is the most organized. I have all of my like tech stuff. Here's my dog Milu, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video.